Welcome. And my name is Ryoko. I am a holistic therapist and transformational neuro coach. I was born and raised in Japan. The multiple sports injury that I experienced in my youth led me to the United States to study sports medicine originally. And when I was working at the very busy orthopedic sports physical therapy clinic, while I was trying to finish my master's thesis, I suffered from IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. And I was still in my early 20s, and I experienced firsthand how stress could manifest as a physical illness. And yes, it was a very scary moment in my life. And I was already teaching yoga and Pilates, but I was doing lots of more vigorous athletic style of the yoga practice back then. And they were actually worsening my symptoms. I looked very healthy from outside. I could even do those very impressive yoga poses. But in my healing journey, I have discovered my spine was incredibly tight, compensating my overstretched joint, and my body was even numb due to all the accumulated tensions. And no wonder my digestive system was not happy at all. So that was my awakening call, to listen to my own body, to be kind and gentle to myself, honoring our own self. So I'm here to help you. You don't have to wait until you get pain in your body or your current symptom get worse, or until your body says no more. And you really don't have to work hard on yourself to feel healthy and vibrant, peaceful at the same time. And let it be easy. So over more than 20 years in my holistic healing practice, I'm so grateful that I have helped so many people overcome their stress-related health issues when they could not get better from a conventional approach itself. And my unique methodology has helped people heal from physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual pain in such a gentle yet powerful way. And as you are experiencing right now, what the world needs is healing more than ever. And that healing work begins within each of us. And Maya Angelou says, when you learn, teach. When you get, give. And I have a lot to offer. To make my healing practice more accessible to more people, I have created the comprehensive holistic self-care virtual coaching program called Align Your Spine, Align Your Life. So in this program, you get to experience how I take my private clients step by step. And you will learn the tool that I use my personal well-being every day. So if your stress is affecting your health and then relationships and preventing you from living your life fully, especially if you are experiencing aches and pain right now and then your current method is not working for you, or you just don't know where to start, I invite you to join us for upcoming intro workshop called Align Your Spine. So in this intro workshop, you will learn how to take care of your body and both conscious and then unconscious tensions. and then how to manage stress and anxiety through simple and effective self-care tools. And by using these tools, you will feel more centered and then alive. And together, we can help more people heal, and we can make the world a more peaceful place. And that is my calling. So let's reclaim your vibrant health and well-being to feel magnificent from inside out. So space is limited, to make sure to reserve your spot on my website today. And see you soon.